Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you are good and safe at your homes. Welcome to this online computer class. I am here today to teach you in this online class. Today's topic, the keyboard, from page 7 to 10 of book. In today's lesson, we will discuss about the keyboard in detail. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to discuss about the keyboard. A keyboard is a device which is used to type data and instructions on the computer. A keyboard is an input device. You can type alphabet, numbers, words, and sentences by using a keyboard. A keyboard consists of different types of keys, such as alphabet keys, number keys, punctuation keys, function keys, arrow keys, symbol keys, and special keys. First of all, we are going to discuss about the alphabet keys. The keys that have the letters from A to Z on them are called the alphabet keys. We use these keys to type words. As there are 26 alphabets in the English language, so there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Now we are going to discuss about number keys. The keys that have numbers printed over them in the keyboard are called the number keys. You can type the numbers by using these keys. Numeric pad. The numeric pad is the number keys on the right side of the keyboard. You can type numbers by using numeric pad. To use the numeric pad, we need to press the num lock on first. Now we are going to discuss about the cursor control keys. The cursor control keys are the four arrow keys on the right side of the keyboard. The four keys are called right, left, up, and down arrow keys. These keys help to move the cursor of the mouse move in any specific direction in the screen. Now we are going to discuss about the special keys of the keyboard. The special keys are required to perform some special functions. Some of the special keys work in combination with other keys. First of all, we are going to discuss about the backspace key. The backspace key is used to delete a letter, word, or paragraph typed on the left side of the cursor on the screen. Now let us discuss about caps lock key. The caps lock key activates the lower case into uppercase. It is used to type in capital letters. When caps lock is on, you can see light on the right hand side of the keyboard. So when you type a letter, then it will appear in capital or upper case. If you press the caps lock key again, you will find that the caps lock key indicator is off. Now we are going to discuss about the spacebar key of the keyboard. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is present as a horizontal bar in the lowermost row of the keyboard. The spacebar key is used to provide a blank space between two words. Now we are going to discuss about the enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. It is also used to take the cursor to the next line. Now we are going to discuss about the shift key. The shift key is used to type the upper character of some of the keys on the keyboard. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. One is on the left side of the keyboard and the other is on the right side of the alphabet keys. The shift key is also used to type in capital letters. If the press the shift key and an alphabet key together, the alphabet is typed in the upper case. The shift key is a better option than the caps lock key when we need to type only a single capital letter in the beginning of a word. Now we are going to discuss about the delete key. The delete key is used to delete anything typed wrong on the right side of the cursor. Now let us discuss about the function keys of the keyboard. The keys marked from F1 to F12 are called the function keys. These keys are used to perform some special functions. For example, the function key F1 is used for help and the function key F3 is used for searching a file or document. Hope you understand today's lesson. Now let's move on to today's homework. Here is the questions for you student, and you have to answer this question in your notebooks. And the question is, define the following keys of the keyboard. A. Caps lock key. B. Shift key. C. Spacebar key. D. Cursor control keys. E. Enter key. F. Delete key. And G. Backspace key. You have read the answer of this question in today's lecture. Thank you.